And this is one of the standard rooms at the Hilton, which is a double queen, if I'm right.
Yeah, double queen.
Yeah, so
It's at the Hilton in Springfield, Illinois.
actually a really nice room. We've got some coffee here. Got some water, I think. Oh no, that is $1 each, if I'm right.
Yeah.
Until you're a gold member or silver. TV, perfect size. Nice little seating area. Another little chair. I suppose if you want to do some work or anything, it's perfect for you. I am not sure what is this? There we go. If anyone wants to use a QR code, there we go. See what view we've got. Not expecting a lot. Oh, okay. It's only for one night, so... And that's the Wyndham next door. And there's the moon up there. Okay. Let's take a little look at the bathroom. Oh, full-size mirror. After a very long day of travelling. Okay. What's in here? Oh, what is that? Something's obviously spilled. Looks a little bit tired, but I'm taking a guess the amount of people that come through here. Oh, the craft tree. No extra little amenities that they give you. Hair dryer. Little bath. It's clean, does what it needs to do. There we go. And that's the room.